Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure RealtyMogul investment platforms, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the RealtyMogul website. Ensure you have your login credentials ready. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email address and password in the provided fields. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Explore the various investment options listed there. To configure your profile, select your account settings from the drop-down menu. Update your personal information, including your name and contact details. Next, review your investment preferences. Set your risk tolerance, preferred investment types, and time horizon. To start investing, click on the Invest tab. Browse through the available offerings and choose one that meets your criteria. Click on the offering to view detailed information. Review the investment summary, projected returns, and associated risks. If you decide to proceed, click on the Invest Now button. Follow the prompts to enter the investment amount and any additional required information. You'll then be asked to review and confirm your investment order. Once confirmed, you will receive a transaction confirmation via email. To track your investments, return to the dashboard. Here, you can view your portfolio performance and any upcoming distributions. Regularly check for updates and new investment opportunities on the platform. That's how you configure the RealtyMogul investment platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.